Welcome to How to Do Pyong An Sam Dan. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Pyong An Sam Dan. It is the third form of 5 in the Pyong An series. Pyong An Sam Dan itself has 27 movements. And the unique characteristic about this form is it doesn't follow the same pattern as the Gichoyang series. You can find those here on the Rockhold Karate YouTube channel. Instead of an I pattern, a Roman I pattern, is going to be an inverted T. As with the other Pyong An forms, each one gets progressively more complicated in its execution of techniques and combinations. In this particular one, we'll see a different kind of simultaneous blocks along with a jump. I'm going to go get set up and be right back. Pyong An Sam Dan. Chariot, come to attention. Kine bow. Chumbi jase. Ready stance. Shisan looking left. I'm going to prepare for Yapmaki in Hugo Jase. And then do the block, side block and back stance. From here I'm going to step forward in preparing for Hadan and Jundan Maki simultaneously. As I twist my hips and straighten my legs, they will execute together. Like so. I'm going to do it on the other side now. So I'm going to twist, collapse my arms to cover, and straighten again to execute the block. From here, cover, look to the right, bend my knees, and shift into back stance again, and side block, and then step forward, simultaneous blocks on both sides. From here, Sangsumaki and Chungo Jase to the left. From here, I'm going to step forward with my right foot into Chungo Jase and Kwansu Kongkyuk spear hand. This will be a kiap in some styles of Tang Soo Do. Others won't kiap at this point. Now, the more interesting part of this, I'm going to fold my hand over. So twist it, okay? Then I'm going to shift my foot. Bring this hand behind your back, step through, bring the hands around, close them, and settle into Kima Jase and Kwando Kongkyuk. Now I'm going to open the foot up, step through Chundan Kongkyuk, and Kyap. So sometimes the hammer fist will be a Kyap, but most styles consistently Kyap on this point here. So from here, I'm going to turn to my left, come back, cross the hands, pull back, close the hands, and straighten. Now from this position, I'll do Pakiso Honor Chaigi with my right foot and step down into a stomp. Here, hit, shift as I do Paku Kongkyuk into front stance to the corner. Now I'm going to drop my hammer, come around, Kwando Kongkyuk, and bring it back. I'm going to repeat this sequence one more time. And last one, I'm going to leave the fist out after the hammer. From here, turn the foot out, punch, kyap. So from here, I'm going to slide my foot up as I breathe in, and I'm going to slide my right foot out to the right in Kima Jase and breathe out. Next, I'm going to turn to the right to my back. At the same time I do that, my foot's going to reach over and twist into Kima Jase, Sandan Kongkyuk, and Paoko Kongkyuk at the same time. I'm going to look over to the right and jump and execute the same techniques on the other side. And Kyap. From here, come back to Chumbi, Chariot, Kine Bao, Chumbi Jase. And that is Pyong An Sam Dan. the third form, or the middle child, of the Pyong An series. Be sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and ring that bell for new video notifications. The next form will be Pyung Ahn Sam Dan. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. My battery's about to die. Okay, I gotta make this quick, otherwise the B-roll is going to be gone roll. Okay. Welcome to How to Do Pyong Ahn Sam Dan. Pyong Ahn Sam Dan. Aish. Forgot what I was gonna say now. It's gonna take forever. I wanna go home. Nope.